Hello, welcome to the video introduction to the Business Process Modeler tool available in the Microsoft Dynamics AX Lifecycle services. This video describes what you can do with the Business Process Modeler. You can explore a library of standard business process maps and hierarchies based on APQC industry standards or create one of your own. You can also watch videos of standard processes being performed within Microsoft Dynamics AX. You can modify business process maps and hierarchies to meet your needs, and then use them in other lifecycle services or your implementation. You can also create artifacts for your implementations, such as Word documents and Visio diagrams. Optionally, you can also share artifacts with other teams, your partners, or more broadly. Let us see how. You can navigate to the Business Process Modeling Services from the Lifecycle Services Project dashboard by either clicking on the Business Process Modeler tile or from the drop-down menu on the top of the page and clicking on the Business Process Modeler icon. When you click on the icon, you would be taken to the Business Process Solution Library. There are three sections in this library: My Project, Corporate Library, and Global Library. We will cover more details on these sections in a separate video. To explore and modify a business process, add any solution from the Global or Corporate Library by right-clicking on it and adding it to your project. Once you have added it to your project, you can click on it to explore the process maps. When you click on the specified library, you will see an interactive business process for a specific industry. In this case, it is the APQC cross-industry. You can navigate through this hierarchy. Focusing at any level would give you standard description and KPIs for that process node. If the process hierarchy does not cover your business requirement, you can add them by dragging and dropping from the Activities toolbar and making the necessary changes. To view a process flow, select any node which has standard AX process maps, which are denoted by an icon on the right hand side. Let us take a look at Create Distribute Purchase Orders. When you click on this process, you will be able to see a cross-functional flowchart on how the task activity is executed inside AX. You will also be able to see a video on the right hand corner. Double-clicking on the video will open it up in full screen mode, where you can get a clear view of how it is executed. The cross-functional flowchart also gives you standard security roles and their duties. Each shape comes with standard AX metadata. If you feel that you need to modify this process, you can drag and drop shapes from the left-hand side and add it to this process. Once you have added it, you can save it. And once you have saved, you can right-click and export it to a Visio document. Once small modifications have been done, you can come out with a fit gap document by clicking on the gap list, which will give you a list of all the gaps that are required, which needs to come into your project scope. Optionally, you can also go ahead and generate a Word document for the entire process by clicking on the top node and clicking on the talk icon. This will generate a Word document for the top level process. Optionally, you also have the option to go ahead and upload your standard business processes. We will cover more of these in a separate video. We plan to publish more videos. Follow the Microsoft Dynamics AX channel on YouTube for more detailed walkthroughs.